Hi guys, I'm Ananya. Welcome back to my channel. If you're seeing me for the first time, I upload videos on self-care, makeup, fashion and fitness. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and tap the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. So let's get started. In this video, I'm going to share how I shave my face with a facial razor. I know that we are all skeptical about it. I was too before I started shaving my face, especially women, because of the myths related to it. Like the hair is going to come out darker and thicker, but there is no logical explanation behind it. Just make sure that you do it in the right direction and in the proper manner. I'm going to show you how I do it, and trust me, I have not faced any such problems yet. I would also suggest that you try it once and see if you are getting any breakouts or irritated skin or not, because different people have different skin types, and some people have sensitive skin and the skin might react to it, so you should check it first. मैं ये भी बोलना चाहूँगी that people who are comfortable with their facial hair and body hair, you should not do it. Only do it if you are comfortable with it. I do it because it makes my skin look clean, and shaving also exfoliates and removes the dead skins, so your face is going to look radiant and it gives you that glow, and your makeup is also going to look smooth and flawless. So अब बहुत कुछ बोल लिया. Now let me show you how I do it. The first thing you gotta do is secure your hair properly, tie it properly at the back so that it doesn't fall on your face, because you don't want to cut your hair while shaving your face. मैं पहले ये कर चुकी हूँ. I made that mistake, so don't do it. Be careful. I look funny, right? The first thing I'm going to do is wash my face with a face wash. You need to make sure that your face is clean before you start shaving your face. I'm done. Now I'm going to wash it. Now that my face is squeaky clean, I'm going to apply some facial oil on my face. You can also use aloe vera gel if you want, but this oil works for me. I will mention the products and the product links in the description, so if you want to get it, you can buy it by clicking on the links directly. I don't know if you can see it clearly, but I have got some hair growth here. I'm going to use Avior face razor. I haven't tried any other facial razors till now. I have been using this only. You get 3 razors in a packet and it comes with a cap. Now hold your skin taut and do not use a razor like this, and do not shave in the opposite direction of your hair growth. Always shave in the direction of your hair growth. Do it slowly. Be very careful not to cut your face. It is very safe and easy to use. Just don't put too much pressure. Use it smoothly and lightly. Wipe your razor in between. You can see how clean it looks. It also helps to get rid of blackheads and dead skins. be careful not to cut your eyebrows. I also remove a little hair underneath my eyebrows, but be very careful while doing this. If you're trying it for the first time, it's better not to go near your eyebrows. Okay, so I'm done and I'm gonna wash my face now. I love my skin after shaving. It looks so smooth and clean and so radiant. Now I'm going to put some moisturizer. I'm using Cetaphil moisturizer. Don't forget to do this. You might feel a little irritation after you shave, but that's normal, that's fine. So how do you like the result? Isn't it nice? I do it once in 2 weeks, so the frequency depends on your hair growth. And if you guys try it out, let me know in the comment section how it turned out for you and if you liked it or not. You can also suggest the kind of videos you want to see on my channel. And thank you for watching. See you in my next video.